will stay here and then I'm going to say a color and you should not touch the color. Alright? Who wants to battle?
Do not teach.
Do not touch the color.
Ikaw na lang.
Color touch.
Oh, dalawa daw kayo. Ready na kayo. Ready na si Tito Nagton. Okay. The first battle is between Tito Nap and Pita.
Red yun, no?
So,
Paano pag colorblind ka?
Ay?
hulaan nyo na lang. So, I'm going to say a color and you shouldn't touch the color.
Uy.
You should not touch.
You should not touch. O sige, sample tayo. Trial. 1, 2, 3, go. Purple.
Oh, Daddy!
Yan.
Hindi siya sure.
Sige, tuloy-tuloy to ah. One more time. 1, 2, 3, pink. Green. Blue. Red. Purple. Yellow. Walang yellow?
Wala.
Ayun!
Gets nyo na.
Dapat wala
So,
kang hawak.
mas mabilis.
Pagka wala, dapat
Wala
hindi ka
kang
mahawak.
Hindi, okay lang, Tito. Basta wag yung kulay na sinabi ko. Alright? We need faster than that, okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, yellow, blue, red, green, purple.
Tapos sa'yo, colorblind ako.
Okay, who will battle?
Akala niya black yun.
Hey, battle, come on.
Who will battle? Here on the road.
Ano pa yun ba?
You are the defending champion here.
Dapat isa
And Mr. Johan, Mr. Best Dress will battle you. Alright. 1, 2, 3, pink, red, blue, purple, orange. Oh no! Hindi siya lumipat. Sorry, Johan. Dapat lumipat ka. Okay.
Ganun din yung ginawa ni Tito Nap kanina. Talo na siya.
Strategy. Hindi nyo dapat
Yes.
Game.
Actually, hindi ko pala sinabi sa rules yun. So, okay lang.
Ah.
Sorry, baka sabihin niyo bias ako sa bato.
Okay, one more.
One more chance. Naantok na nga.
One more chance.
Kasi yung
Okay, 1, 2, 3, pink, red, blue, green, purple, orange, yellow, red, blue,
Oh!
green. Oh no! O, pareho kayong talo. Talo kayong dalawa. Next.
Tita. And your dog.
The husband and wife. Okay.
He's gonna let her win anyway.
1, 2, 3, pink. Ganon! Sinadya mo ba?
Oo. Ay, palabot.
Did you do it on purpose? No? Ay, crush mo yan, no? Okay, who will battle Tita Ellie? Come on, girls. Come on.
Oh, go sa
Girls. White, Andre, come on.
white to white eh.
White.
Red yung isa.
Defending ka pa rin, Tita. Defending champion. Dito ka, Andre. Ay, sige.
Ito pala ko.
The battle of the white. Ay,
Sabi niya, dalawa yun.
the battle of the white ladies. Okay, this is your color. Do not touch the color blue, red, green, yellow, orange, blue, red. Doon pala sila nalilito pag magmabagal. Blue.
Wala kang yellow, ba't nagtanggit ka?
Nalilito ko yun. Who will battle Andre? Come on.
Ayan o. Ayan o.
Yes, her co-MC. Let's go.
Alright.
Pabilisan to. Do not touch the color blue, green, red, purple, orange, pink, red, green, purple, blue, yellow, orange, red. Ay, galing! Paglako. 1, 2, 3, go! Green, blue, orange, yellow, red, blue, purple, green. Ay, galing!
Ay, para ba? Head for rain.
Hello! Tapos na yan.
time.
Talo ka na.
Sige, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Blue, green, pink, orange, red.
Oh. Oh.
I'm sorry, Francis.
Fine.
Okay lang yan. Who will challenge? Who will challenge the cell
Go, sister.
Go sis! Go
Tayo
sis!
mo pandera natin.
Wow.
2, 3, blue, red, green, orange, red, pink, red, orange, blue, pink, purple, green, orange, blue, purple. Oh! Favorite color of your mom.
Napunta sa nana. Bakit kasi may purple dyan?
Who will battle
Si Mami.
Miss Daphne Rasco?
No one.
Rasgo sisters daw.
No.
I bench.
The revenge of
The
the
revenge of the mom. One. Do not touch the color purple, red, green, orange, blue, red, purple, blue, orange, yellow, green, red.
Ay,
Nanalo ako?
Oo.
Parang, kalma lang si Tito.
Oo nga.
Come on.
Tito Yes!
Okay, I'll try this.
Be in trouble, okay?
Don't
Purple.
touch the color that she
Don't
said.
touch the color that she said.
So
Yes.
I step on it?
Just tap it.
Oh, touch it.
Tito. Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Alright. Okay. Do not touch the color pink, blue, red.
That's
The same. Sorry, Tito.
Ay.
True. It's really true love.
Ay.
Well, this is
Sino
like
ba yung naglalaro
heart
dyan?
screen.
Ayun o.
Come on, Likey. Let's go.
Oops.
Let's go, Mr. Black.
Laban.
Laban, oh, bawi, bawi.
Laban, laban.
Color green.
Green. Oh! Ay! Tito
Bowling na yan,
Pasto.
pakasama.
Tito. Di pa ko ready.
Wala na, wala na.
Oh, sige. Last na to?
Kami daw.
Last na ba
Last
si
na
Kyle?
yan. Last na yan.
Si Karen pa pala.
Ay, ganun.
1, 2, 3. Do not touch the color red, blue, green, orange, red, blue, green, yellow, pink, red, pink, yellow, orange, blue, green, red, pink, blue.
Oh!
Wala ba yung babantay? Nakabantay dito.
Ano sa nagano? Oh, kare.
Oh, Karel! Last.
Finalist.
The finalists. In 1, do not touch the color pink, blue, green, blue, orange, blue, red, pink, blue, orange.
Oh, ikaw ba?
Kim, come on! Saan ang aking ina?
Oy, nagbanding sila ng nanay natin.
Ah.
Nawala sila.
Okay, this is the last, I believe.
Sila. Play
Mahirap ba?
Play
Mahirap to?
day.
1, 2, 3, pink, blue, orange. Okay.
Kare.
Since bahay niya ito, sino ang lalaban sa kanya? Kahit umulit kayo. Wow!
Ay!
Go girl! The battle begins. Do not touch the color orange, blue, green, red, yellow, blue, pink, red.
Oh!
Alright!
Panalo siya!
We have a winner once again, Miss Andrea.
Sara, prinsesa.
What number?
Labihin niya.
You have to find the end.
From.
Okay, hold on. Relax lang. You have to find
X.
the end.
Basta magsabi ka lang, go.
To follow the rules.
2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. What is that? Sakura water from Japan.
Wow!
Ay,
ng bucket! Paamoy!
Okay, congrats!
Indiana.
May oras pa ba tayo? 11:46. May mga prizes pa. Ilan to? 1, 2,